This is a Zoom tutorial for beginners. Please note this is a tutorial for Android but only for participants, not for the host of a meeting. In this tutorial, we will see how to install Zoom, how to join a meeting, how to create an account on Zoom. Also, we will check after the account is created some of the options we have. First, let's see how to install Zoom. Tap on Google Play. On the search above, write Zoom. After you have found the app, just tap on Install and wait. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. You have now installed Zoom on your Android device. The next step is to join a meeting or just sign up for a new account or sign in into your old account. Now, let's join a meeting on Zoom. If you wish to enter into a meeting, you will need to have the ID of the meeting and also, if needed, a password. Find this info from the host. Also, it is possible to receive an invitation on email or any messaging app. If you receive the invitation link, you will not need the ID and the password. The invitation link will look something like this. If you receive this link, just tap it. Select to open with Zoom and tap Open. The tutorial will be almost the same. You will just skip the page where you write the ID and the password. Also, on this method, you will receive a pop-up from Zoom where you need to write your name. Now, let's get back to the app and continue with the tutorial. Tap on Join a Meeting. Tap the ID of the meeting on the top. Add or change your name here. You can also select what join options you wish from the list. If you do not wish to join with audio and video, you can enable these options. Now tap on Join Meeting. If the meeting has a password, it will appear this pop-up. Write the password and tap OK. After this, if the meeting has not started yet, you will get a screen saying this. Please wait until the host starts the meeting. You cannot do anything now. If the meeting is starting and you are the first time on Zoom, it will ask you to agree for the terms of service. Tap I agree. Now Zoom will ask you some permissions. Tap Got it. Now tap Allow to all permissions. You have joined the meeting. On this dialog, tap Join with video. You can also select Without if you want. It does not matter at this point. The waiting room is active, so please wait until the host of the meeting accepts your request to join the meeting. You can start audio and video from the menu bar from the bottom. If you do not see these buttons, just tap on the screen of the device. Tap on Join Audio. Tap Call via device audio. It is possible to receive also allow permission for the microphone from Zoom. Tap on Allow if this is the case. Now you have connected with audio. After that, just tap on the button Start Video. It is possible to receive also allow permission for the camera from Zoom. Tap on Allow if this is the case. You have connected with video. You can also easily disable audio and video by tapping the same buttons. If the buttons will be red, then please note that the audio and video are disabled. Please note that the host can mute or unmute your microphone and ask you to start the video or close your camera. On some meetings, the host will not allow you to unmute yourself and do other stuff like chat. Another important feature is also the drive mode. If you wish to activate drive mode on Zoom, you just need to swipe from left to right on the screen. Now, drive mode is active. You can easily tap on the button, tap on Speak, and say what you need. After you have finished speaking, just tap Done Speaking. Now, to get out of the drive mode, just swipe from right to left. Normal mode is active. Also, if you swipe from the right to left, you will get to the list of participants. Here you will see other persons that are in the meeting and you will be able to see more people. If you will use Zoom frequently, I will suggest creating an account because this will give you more possibilities and you will be able to make some settings for your needs. Tap on Sign Up link from the bottom. Here, write the email on the first input. Then write the first name and the last name. Check that you agree to the terms of service from Zoom. Now, tap on Next. You will receive an email to verify your account. Just check your email to continue with the next step. I will go to the Gmail app on the phone. Here we have the email that we received from Zoom. Tap on it. Now tap on Activate Account. On this page, just create a password for the new account. Just write the password and after that confirm the password. I will skip this part for you not to see my password. Now tap on Continue. Here, let's skip this step. I do not wish for now to invite anyone. Your new account is ready. Let's get back to the app so we can log in. Tap on Sign In. Here, write your email and password and hit Sign In. You can enable Fingerprint ID if your phone has this. I will tap OK. Your new account is ready to be used on Zoom. After we have created an account, we can set up some settings. So you can tap on Settings. Here, tap on your account from the top. You will get lots of useful settings. You can change your profile picture here. Let's do that. Tap on the profile picture. Select the picture. You will have the possibility to crop the image. Do your edits and tap Done. Now your image is changed. Here you can change your display name. Zoom has also the possibility to change your password. Let's tap the arrow from the top. If you wish more settings for meetings, you can tap Meeting. One of the most important features I see here is the option to auto-connect to audio. Always mute my microphone and always turn off my video when joining a meeting. You will find many more settings that you can check if you want, but this will not affect you much as a participant. Let's tap the arrow from the top. Also, on Settings, you will be able to set some options for the chat notification. So, if you would like to check this, do so. But again, these features will not affect you much as a participant. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.